Spartan, let me tell you a thing or two about haggling with car salesmen. As a Spartan, I've had to negotiate for my life many times, but haggling with car salesmen is a different kind of battle. First, you need to know your enemy. Car salesmen are trained to make you feel like you're getting a good deal, but in reality, they're trying to make as much profit as possible. That's why you need to do your research and know the true value of the car you want to buy. Use websites like Edmunds and Kelley Blue Book to get a good idea of the car's true value. Be prepared to walk away. Just like in a battle, sometimes you need to retreat and regroup. If the salesman isn't willing to meet your price, don't be afraid to walk away. There are plenty of other car dealerships out there. Always be willing to compromise. Haggling isn't about getting everything you want. It's about finding a fair deal for both parties. So be willing to give a little to get a little. If the salesman won't budge on the price, ask for other perks like free oil changes or a warranty extension. In the end, haggling with a car salesman is all about being confident, prepared, and willing to negotiate. Just like in battle, you need to stay focused, stay calm, and never give up. Now go out there and get yourself a good deal, Spartan.